In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox error code 403. So we have a few solutions for you. Let's go ahead and go to our first solution. So for our first solution, we have the lag out and log in again into your account. So it's simple, log out and log in again could possibly solve your issue. So for you to log out, just go to the settings here and just click on log out and just log in again to your account. If this doesn't work, we could go ahead and go to our next solution, which is to delete our Roblox cache folder. So to do that, go ahead and go to your Windows search and just type in run. Go ahead, open up the run application and just go to app data. Make sure to include the percentage signs here and just click on OK. Once you've done that, what you want to do is go ahead and find the local folder. So let's go ahead and go find the local folder. So for you, when you actually go to this directory, you just have to go back one folder, make sure that you're actually inside the app data folder and go to local. From here, what you want to do is to find Roblox. So just scroll down until you see a Roblox here and make sure that you this folder will be deleted. So just go ahead and right click on it and just delete this folder. So once you've deleted that, try running your game if that solves the issue. If not, we can go to our final solution, which is to change our DNS. So to change our DNS, go and go to your Windows search here and just type in control panel. Go ahead and open it up. Go to network and internet. Go to network and sharing center. Go ahead and press the Ethernet option here. Go to properties and look for Internet Protocol version 4. Just click on it and just hit on properties. From here, make sure that use the following DNS server addresses is selected and input the following addresses here. So we have 1111 and 1001. Just click on OK, close, and that should do it. And check if that solves your problem. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.